This right here is a DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and this is what you get. Everything is included right here. You have a carrying pouch, you got your DJI Pocket 3, you have your battery grip right here that actually has a battery and a 1/4 20 thread down here, and you also have a small grip right here that has a 1/4 20 thread like so. You also got the mini tripod that is perfect for putting this onto a tripod, but because this one has a USB Type-C, you will need to install either this battery grip or this regular grip so that now you can attach it onto the tripod right here. So super easy to use. This thing is very convenient. The DJI Pocket 3 is an awesome little camera that's very compact, and with the gimbal, flip it open like this and you're ready to rock and roll. Super smooth operation. You can do landscape or you can do vertical like so. Super easy. You also got the wide angle lens right here that's magnetized. So if you want wide angle, all you gotta do is right here is attach it on, and now you have a wide angle. Super easy to put on the wide angle. That's included. USB Type-C charging cable right there. You have the DJI mic 2, which was really good. I have one right here. I love this mic. And you also have the windscreen, so you can attach a windscreen if you want to reduce wind noise, and it attaches on really well. You even have a strong magnet right here to attach it onto clothing, and you have a case so you can store your wide angle lens here on the case if you like to travel, and then you can put this right here onto the case and store your DJI Pocket 3 in the case as well. You have a lanyard. You got a lot of stuff. This is your DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo right here.